नाजरीन, आपने ज़राअत के बारे में तो बहुत सुना होगा, कभी कपास, कभी गंदम, कभी चावल। लेकिन क्या आपने कभी सोचा कि किसी मुल्क का सदर अपनी आवाम को मेंढकों की फार्मिंग करवाएगा? जी हाँ, ये कोई आम बात नहीं, बल्कि बर्किना फासो के सदर इब्राहिम तरावरे का असल मंसूबा है। सवाल यह है कि आखिर मेंढक जैसे छोटे जानवर में ऐसी क्या खास बात है कि पूरी हुकूमत इस पर सरमाया लगा रही है। जब हम मेंढक की बात करते हैं तो ज़हन में फौरन एक ऐसा जानवर आता है जो बारिश के मौसम में तालाब के किनारे तरतर करता है, लेकिन हकीकत इससे कहीं ज्यादा दिलचस्प है। दुनिया के कई ममालिक में मेंढक एक महंगा खाना समझा जाता है। खास तौर पर फ्रांस में फ्रॉग लीक्स को बड़े शौक से खाया जाता है। सिर्फ फ्रांस ही नहीं बल्कि चीन, वियतनाम और थाईलैंड में भी लोग मेंढक के गोश्त को बड़े शौक से खाते हैं। ग़िज़ाई एतबार से मेंढक का गोश्त प्रोटीन से भरपूर और चिकन के मुकाबले में कम चिकनाई रखता है, यानी ये एक सेहतमंद और हल्की ग़िज़ा है। इसीलिए इसकी आलमी मांग बहुत ज़्यादा है। बात सिर्फ खाने तक महदूद नहीं, मेंढकों की खाल और उनके जिस्म से निकलने वाला तेल दवाइयों में इस्तेमाल होता है। कुछ अक़साम के मेंढक जहर पैदा करते हैं जिन्हें तहकीक के बाद कैंसर जैसी खतरनाक बीमारियों के इलाज में इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है। इसीलिए सदर तरावरे ने सोचा कि बर्किना फासो में ये मंसूबा शुरू किया जाए। मेंढक फार्मिंग एक ऐसा काम है जिसमें लागत कम और मुनाफा ज्यादा है। आप सिर्फ एक छोटा सा तालाब बनाएं, सही माहौल फराहम करें, चंद ही महीनों में मेंढक बड़े होकर मार्केट में बेचने के काबिल हो जाते हैं। यानी हर किसान और नौजवान इसे अपना कारोबार बना सकता है। पहले एक छोटा साफ तालाब बनाया जाता है। मादा मेंढक हजारों अंडे देती है जो चंद हफ्तों में बच्चे बन जाते हैं। ये बच्चे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बड़े होकर मुकम्मल मेंढक बन जाते हैं। ये सब कुछ सिर्फ 3 से 4 महीने में हो जाता है, यानी जल्द नफा कमाने का बेहतरीन तरीका। मेंढक फार्मिंग के लिए ज्यादा जमीन की जरूरत नहीं, ये हर गांव के घर में मुमकिन है और मुसलसल आमदनी देता है। गाय या बकरी के मुकाबले में यह तरीका सस्ता और तेज है। मेंढक फार्मिंग का ताल्लुक सिर्फ गोश्त से नहीं बल्कि मेडिकल साइंस से भी है। मेंढक के जहरीले मादे को लेबॉरेटरी में रिसर्च के बाद ऐसी दवाइयों में बदला जा रहा है जो नई एंटीबायोटिक्स बना सकें और कैंसर जैसे अमराज का इलाज कर सकें। दुनिया भर में मेंढक की मांग बहुत ज्यादा है। चीन सबसे बड़ा खरीदार है, इसके बाद फ्रांस और दीगर एशियाई मुमालिक आते हैं। सोचिए, अगर बर्किना फासो हर साल लाखों डॉलर के मेंढक एक्सपोर्ट करे तो मुल्क की मईशत में कैसा इंकिलाब आ सकता है। सदर तरावरे चाहते हैं कि बर्किना फासो को अफ्रीका का फ्रॉग फार्मिंग हब बनाया जाए ताकि दुनिया भर के ऑर्डर्स यहीं से पूरे हों। ये मंसूबा न सिर्फ गुर्बत खत्म करेगा बल्कि आलमी तिजारत के दरवाजे भी खोलेगा। नाजरीन, आपको क्या लगता है, क्या वाकई मेंढक फार्मिंग बर्किना फासो की किस्मत बदल सकती है? अपनी राय कमेंट्स में जरूर बताएं और वीडियो को लाइक करें और शेयर करें।
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are re-diving into a topic that might sound unusual but holds profound implications for the future of Burkina Faso. A small landlocked country nestled in West Africa. Its president, the dynamic Ibrahim, has unveiled an ambitious plan that's turning heads across the globe. Mass frog farming. So why is Burkina Faso putting so much effort into this seemingly odd venture? And what does it reveal about the country's vision for the future? Let's find out. In the heart of Africa, there exists a nation rich in potential, yet grappling with the harsh realities of poverty. High unemployment, and an economy that seems stuck in a rut. This is Burkina Faso, a country where dreams are abundant, but opportunities often feel scarce. Yet amidst these challenges, a glimmer of hope has emerged, a beacon of innovation in the form of an unlikely candidate: frogs. Ibrahim Traore, the visionary leader of Burkina Faso, is not your typical politician. At just 34 years old when he assumed office, he's the youngest president in the country's history and arguably in all of Africa. His rise to power was marked by popular acclaim, symbolizing a yearning for change and progress among the populace. Tractor wasted no time in rolling up his sleeves and getting to work. One of his most audacious initiatives was the introduction of mandatory military service. This policy aimed to not only strengthen the nation's defense capabilities, but also instill discipline and national unity among the youth, a significant portion of whom were grappling with unemployment. This bold move was met with mixed reactions, but Traore remained steadfast in his conviction. But what truly sets Traore apart is his willingness to think outside the box, to explore unconventional solutions to complex problems. Enter frogs. They might seem like an odd choice, but upon closer examination, the logic becomes clear. The idea is not merely about boosting the population of these amphibians, but about harnessing their unique qualities to address pressing national issues. Burkina Faso is a nation teeming with potential, blessed with vast natural resources and a youthful population eager to contribute to their country's growth. However, it's been held back by socioeconomic challenges that threaten to dampen the spirits of its people. Burkina Faso is ranked as one of the least developed countries globally, facing hurdles such as limited infrastructure, insufficient healthcare facilities, and a stark disparity between the urban and rural populations. The country's rural communities, often cut off from essential services, have long grappled with subsistence farming and limited access to education and healthcare. The youth, burdened by high unemployment rates, face bleak prospects, leading many to seek opportunities abroad. Burkina Faso finds itself at a critical juncture. Without effective strategies to alleviate poverty and stimulate economic growth, the risk of instability and unrest looms large. In this context, Ibrahim Traore's unorthodox proposal to establish Burkina Faso as a hub for frog farming might appear perplexing to some. However, upon closer inspection, it reveals a leader willing to think outside the box to tackle complex challenges. Traore's vision extends beyond simply producing frogs. It's a strategic move to revitalize the economy, provide job opportunities, and empower rural communities. Amphibians like frogs play a crucial role in our ecosystem, serving as indicators of environmental health. Their sensitivity to environmental changes makes them vital for maintaining ecological balance. Additionally, amphibians hold immense significance in traditional medicine, particularly in Asian cultures where extracts from certain species are revered for their healing properties. Furthermore, amphibians are a source of protein for millions worldwide, contributing to food security in various communities. Frogs are cold-blooded animals, which means they rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. They typically prefer moist habitats such as ponds, marshes, and tropical rainforests. These adaptable creatures play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. As predators, they help control insect populations, while also serving as prey for larger animals, birds, and mammals. Frogs are also utilized in medical research due to their permeable skin, which aids in the study of substances' absorption and distribution within the body. Moreover, frog farming as an industry contributes to sustainable development by providing a renewable source of protein and income for farmers. Amphibians such as frogs face numerous threats, including habitat loss due to environmental changes, climate change, pollution, and overexploitation for various purposes. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitats, mitigating threats, and raising awareness about their importance in the ecosystem. So the initiative aligns perfectly with the country's aspirations for growth and development. By investing in frog farming, Burkina Faso aims to diversify its economy, reduce poverty, and improve the lives of its citizens. The frog farming sector has the potential to significantly benefit Burkina Faso's economy. First and foremost, it can provide much-needed employment opportunities, especially in the rural areas where unemployment and underemployment are prevalent. Establishing frog farms can create jobs for individuals at various skill levels, from farm management to processing and marketing the final products. By tapping into this untapped market, Burkina Faso can position itself as a key player in the global frog industry, generating substantial revenue and foreign exchange for the country. The financial benefits of frog farming extend beyond direct employment. It can also stimulate related industries, such as feed production, veterinary services, and transportation, further boosting the economy. Furthermore, promoting frog farming can help alleviate poverty in rural communities by providing a sustainable and potentially lucrative livelihood option. Through government support and training programs, local farmers can be equipped with the necessary skills and resources to establish and manage successful frog farms. Burkina Faso has recognized the immense potential of the frog farming sector and has taken proactive steps to promote its growth. The government has launched initiatives to support farmers, including providing technical assistance, access to breeding stock, and training in best farming practices. Additionally, Burkina Faso has implemented measures to protect the health and well-being of frogs, ensuring sustainable farming practices that prioritize animal welfare. These efforts have been complemented by public awareness campaigns aimed at promoting the consumption of locally farmed frogs, encouraging citizens to embrace this unique delicacy. Through these comprehensive strategies, Burkina Faso is actively shaping the frog farming landscape, positioning itself as a leader in the industry and driving positive economic and social impacts for its citizens. But the benefits of frog farming go beyond just economics. It also holds immense potential for scientific research and development. Frogs are already used in various medical studies due to their permeable skin, which allows for easy absorption of substances. This characteristic makes them ideal for testing new drugs and medical treatments. By establishing a robust frog farming industry, Burkina Faso can ensure a steady supply of frogs for research purposes, contributing to the advancement of medical knowledge and the development of life-saving treatments. Furthermore, frogs are sensitive indicators of environmental health, making them valuable subjects for ecological research. Monitoring frog populations and studying their life cycles can provide insights into the health of the ecosystem, allowing scientists to track environmental changes and make informed conservation efforts. This in turn can lead to the development of sustainable farming practices and informed policymaking, ensuring the long-term health of the environment. However, it's important to acknowledge that implementing such a large-scale initiative comes with its own set of challenges. Success hinges on factors such as government support, access to resources, market demand, and consumer acceptance. Nevertheless, the potential benefits of frog farming are too significant to ignore, making it a venture worth pursuing. To make this vision a reality, Burkina Faso needs to implement effective policies that encourage investment in the frog farming sector. This includes providing incentives for farmers, establishing research centers, and developing marketing strategies to promote Burkinabe frogs on the international stage. Moreover, the country must prioritize the welfare of the frogs, ensuring ethical treatment and sustainable farming practices that preserve the ecological balance. Public awareness campaigns can play a crucial role in shaping consumer behavior, dispelling any misconceptions and promoting the consumption of locally sourced frogs. By addressing these challenges head-on and investing in the necessary infrastructure, Burkina Faso can pave the way for a thriving frog farming industry. Frogs, as it turns out, are more than just fascinating creatures that inhabit our ponds and rainforests. They are also a potential key to unlocking economic growth and sustainability for nations like Burkina Faso. The journey won't be easy, but with visionary leadership, community involvement, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, Burkina Faso just might hop onto the path to prosperity. So what do you think of the frogs farming? Is this a peculiar solution to the country's problems, or a stroke of genius? Do you think Ibrahim Traore's bold plan will transform Burkina Faso's fortunes? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop them in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this journey into the heart of Africa's extraordinary plans, don't forget to show your support. Your likes and comments fuel our journey. Thanks for joining us today. See you soon again.